up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a simple way and two effective methods to save RAM or RAM memory on your computer. I know that memory it's quite expensive nowadays, so save it, it's very important so we can use it on what matters for our usage. So let's get things started, but before I can continue, please like this video. After this, go to our start menu on your toolbar and click on settings, okay? Once on settings, review the left sidebar of menus, and next to personalization we have apps. Click on it. Once on apps, we're gonna click into the first option, installed apps, okay? And right here we're gonna be able to see a list of every single installed app on your computer, okay? For example, imagine that the torrent, I don't use this often, so I'm gonna click into these three little dots into the right side, and you're gonna be able to find a couple of options. And most of the apps have options, okay? For example, Copilot. Do you use Copilot? So go to advanced options. It can have access to a microphone, for example, but here is the most important part. Background app permission, okay? Power optimized. I don't want that the Copilot work on background, so we're gonna say never. This is gonna save my memory. And if yours is set as on into runs at login, you're gonna set this as off, okay? This is a very important. These two settings are important. Let me choose another app that I use really often. Don't use it that much. The WhatsApp, okay? Go to the three little dots, advanced options, background app permission, never, okay? So this app will not work at the background, and this is gonna save memory. The run and login is already off. Once already set this up, but you can do this into every single app you have that you don't use, so the app that don't affect your usage, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visualmodo portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.